Let's explore the exciting new feature on Instagram called the Add Yours Music sticker, designed to let users share their favorite tunes and invite their followers to join in the musical fun. To start, ensure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, as this sticker, along with 3 other new stickers, is a fresh addition. Firstly, open your Instagram app and create a new story. Choose a photo or video that resonates with your mood or the vibe you want to convey. Once you've selected your content, it's time to add some musical flair. Tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Among the options, you'll find the Add Yours Music button. Click on it, and the sticker will appear on your story. Similar to other Add Yours stickers, you can customize this one too. Click on the plus button to access your music library. Browse through your collection and select the perfect song that complements your story. Whether it's a calming melody, an upbeat track, or a nostalgic favorite, choose what resonates with you. Now, your story is ready to be shared with your friends and followers. Anyone can interact with the music template you've created by adding their own songs to the mix. Even after your story expires, others can continue to use the template unless you choose to delete it. To remove the template from your story archive, simply delete it. This ensures that you have control over what you share and when. That's how easy it is to use the new Add Yours Music sticker for your Instagram stories. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to show some love by liking this video. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and until next time, happy sharing.